Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a kid's face painting for Halloween of a, what is it?
Lion.
A lion with safe and clean makeup that you might already have at home. And today we're going to be doing a lion, and I'll tell you what you need. First, you need to print out a picture of something that you want to try to make. And it's a good time to start practicing since Halloween's a couple weeks away. And then the supplies you'll need, I like a liquid eyeliner to do the black outline. This one is Beauty Counter. It's a safe brand of makeup that I love. Then just a really colorful eyeshadow palette. Usually has some oranges and pinks and even whites. So you can try to blend together a natural looking animal face. And sometimes using real makeup is actually a more natural look than that bright kind of paint that you might see. So it's really fun to do too and to experiment. I use just a kind of blender sponge. You can use any kind of blender sponge from CVS or wherever to get the colors, and always have some Q-tips on hand and a little tiny cup or ramekin of water. So here we go. First, you're gonna use the, I have my helpers with me. First, you're gonna use the eyeliner to do the black outline.
Yeah, using some paintbrushes.
Okay, look at me. We're going to start with the nose. You gotta stay still. Ooh. It kind of tickles, huh? And just any shape that's a little bit like a rectangle will work well. And any liquid eyeliner should really do for this. And it's easy to manage because it has such a fine tip at the end. And I feel good putting this type of makeup on my kid's face because it doesn't have any toxic ingredients, no parabens, nothing that I feel like, ooh, what's it gonna do to their skin? Is it gonna irritate their skin? And it doesn't really come off easily too, so it won't get all over your furniture. Okay, look straight at me, bud. Then you do a cheek right here and a cheek on this side. And it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just go nice and slow. You're looking in the mirror. I know. At the very end, I'm going to show you. So sit down. Okay, sit down. That's our guest of honor. This is Ben, and that was Lila.
That's my brother.
And then that's the little lip part that goes down. Fill it in. And then this is a fun part. Stay still. You gotta stay still. Make little dot. Ooh, if you move, you can just make a fat dot or a tiny dot. And those are, I will show you at the very end, you can see the whole thing. Okay, now for the other side. Good job, Ben. Does it tickle or how does it feel?
It tickles.
Okay, now for the lion hair that's supposed to be a mane coming right from the edge of the eye.
But it goes right.
It goes on the side of your face. Ready? Stay still.
Make it a little bigger, okay?
And like that, and like that. And then this connects. Look that way, please, bud. Thank you. You're being so patient. Just like that. 3 little triangles on the side face. And then turn around.
Triangles.
See? Yeah, 3 triangles right there.
Oh.
You like shapes? Okay, look that way towards that wall. And we'll do this side. Just come from the eye. Go triangle. Triangle. Oops. Triangle.
That's my brother getting face paint by my mom.
Now, just keep in mind that none of it has to be perfect, and it's still gonna look really fun and different. And even if you don't want to do it at Halloween, oh, someone's at the door. Then you do just a lot of triangles at the top for the hair and the mane that's at the top. Keep looking up over here.
Over
and anyone could do this. It really is just little triangles of hair around the face. Okay, now look into the camera and show them your whiskers.
I see it.
Look up really close. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now for the fun part.
Orange.
The orangey brown. This is a little more burnt sienna, we'll say. So that's how we're gonna do it. So now we're gonna add the color. And this is a palette that I use. This is my Beauty Counter Clean Makeup. This one is the Nudes palette with a lot of different colors, but it has pinks and oranges. And last year we did a cat for my daughter with the pink.
That's me.
That's my daughter. Okay, so mix a little bit of the sienna color with the soft peach, and you should have kind of an orangey color right there. And then just dab it on the nose. And it's really so gentle that kids will. Here. So we're going to continue with the color. This is what I'm doing. I'm rubbing the tip of the sponge in the orangey sienna color, and I'm adding a little bit of the soft peach too. And then you just dab it on to your child's face. That one tickles a little bit? Yeah, it does. But it looks really natural. It's so cool. And it really isn't hard to put on at this point. Once you have that, I know it tickles a little bit, but once you have the outline and, you don't even have to be perfect with where the color goes. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the peach in. Ready? Get right this hair on this cheeky, and then you gotta do the top up here. And that's an easy part because you can just dab it on above the forehead. Now, this is not going to be a face paint that you think is going to be a professional circus, but this is something that your kid can wear out on Halloween. And the cool thing about it too is if you already have this makeup, it doesn't ruin the makeup, and you don't have to buy anything except this little sponge. If you have a liquid eyeliner pencil. Okay, you want to look up close and see? Show everybody up close what it looks like. So cute.
It's almost ready.
It's almost ready. Okay, lean back. We're just going to do the white.
Yep, that's right.
Yep. So isn't this super simple? It really is something that anyone can do. It really is the easiest way to face paint. So the next step is just adding the white for the part near the mouth, and I'm going to use a Q-tip and dip it in a lighter kind of white highlighter color. This is from a different palette that I have. But a lot of eyeshadow palettes have a light white, or if you have a highlighter. I do especially like using clean, natural, or as they call it, green makeup, because it's just safer for your kid. Now, sit down, little bud. We're gonna dip it in the water, dip the Q-tip in the palette, and then we just dab it on right there, the white. This white has a little shimmer to it, which is fun. And that is a tickly part, I know. But the nice thing about this is it's gonna wash off so easily, you'll be amazed. Sit down. This is something you could do for a birthday party or for just a day of having fun around your house. Let's see, oh, they had some white up here too. Just make some stripes. Once you have that outline, you really can do whatever you want with the colors on the inside. Let me get this side. You're such a good patient, or I guess, what would they call it? A muse. A little white, maybe over here too, on the tips of the hair. And at the end, you can get up really close to the camera and show everybody what your face looks like, Kayla. What do you think so far?
Good.
Do you think, are you a lion or a tiger, or what are you today?
A lion.
Oh, can I hear you roar?
Roar.
Oh, good one. Okay, just a little more. And then just put on as much or as little as you like. Oh, that looks so good. Do you want to go show the people what it looks like?
It's all done.
Okay, it's all done. Go get up close so they can see. Rawr, what a good lion. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was it. Just a few simple things, some clean makeup and an eyeliner and a Q-tip and a sponge, and that's it. And let's go see that cute guy and see what the finished product looks like up close. Thanks for watching. Check out more videos by Buffy, and you can also find me on Instagram at ebuffy, and you can find my blog, worthevolving.com, where I share tips for moms who want to feel better about themselves and have an easier life as a mom. Thanks, guys. Bye.